Hello, Mental Health Crisis Line. How may I help you?
Yeah, I have a question about medication.
Okay, I'm not sure I'll be able to answer it, but I'll do my best. What do you need to know?
I need to know how many Ambien it will take to kill me if I drink a bottle of wine at the same time. I've already drunk the wine and swallowed one bottle of pills. I've got another bottle right here, and I think I'll swallow them while I talk to you.
Whoa, sounds like a bad day. Let's talk about it. Who is this?
Oh, I'm not telling you who this is. And you don't have caller ID on those clinic phones, do you? You get to listen to me die. Your lucky day, lady.
I don't believe we've ever spoken before. I don't recognize your voice. Do you have a case manager here? Is there someone you want to speak with, someone you know?
No, my case was closed there because I don't want services from you people. I've been locked up in that inpatient unit 17 times in the last 20 years. Every time I've said I was going to kill myself, they lock me up in there for 72 hours, give me lousy food and stupid groups and the revolving door of foreign psychiatrists and their bottles of pills. There's nothing in there that I want, and no one there that I want to talk to, except you. Right now, I'll talk to you for a little while.
Is anyone with you right now? Where are you?
Oh, I'm at home, alone, but I'm not going to tell you where that is. And don't try to get the call traced or I'll hang up. If you put me on hold, I'm hanging up.
Look, I don't in any way want to be disrespectful or dishonor your wishes, and I can't pretend to know what you've experienced or all that you've been through. And I'm glad you called, if for no other reason than you've reached out in some way. I'm sure it's hard to feel hopeful right now. Maybe impossible. But I'd like to hold hope for you. I know I've felt hopeless many times in my life. And over time, things have gotten better. I may be wrong, but I'm holding hope that things can get better for you.
Nah, I don't believe that. I'm done. Hey, hold on a sec. Okay, I just swallowed the rest of the pills. That makes 60. I'm guessing this shouldn't take long.
Hey, I'd love to sit down with you and have coffee, speak face to face for a while. I'd like to hear more about you and get to know you. You could tell me about the changes we need to make in the system here to do a better job on our end. Can we do that? I'm willing to meet with you right now.
Oh, sure you are. And what good would that do? Are you bringing a magic wand? Or the cops? Gonna lock me up again? Tell me to go to group? Take the pills? Write in a journal? Talk about my family? Fuck you, lady. I'm done. I am done.
I'm sorry the system hasn't been helpful to you. I know it's flawed. I want to know what you've experienced.
I've been fucked over by everyone my whole life. I'm tired of suffering. I'm sick of trying to make it work.
I'm looking out a window right now, and I can see the sky. It's so beautiful outside today. What do you see where you're at? Are you near a window? Can you see the sky? Can you get outside?
I'm laying on the bedroom floor. There's a window, but I'm closing my eyes. I'm feeling sleepy. Fuck you people. Fuck all you.
Look, it's not too late. It's not that I want you to hang up, but if you do, you could still call 911 and get medical help. They could get there in time. You don't have to go today. You can go another day if you still need to leave. I'm listening. Are you there? Can you hear me? I'll stay right here. I'm looking out a window now. I can see the sky. It's beautiful. The trees are tall and green. I picture you standing tall like a redwood tree, rooted in the ground, reaching up to the sky toward the sun. I'm still here. I'm listening. Keep breathing.